Hey GTA, welcome back to LSV Weekly, your go-to guide to living smart, stylish, and ahead of the curve. Today's lineup: a neighborhood where nature meets city life, a foyer makeover that sets the tone, and a real estate opportunity that doubles as an investment plan. Let's dive in. First up, High Park. Famous for Toronto's largest green space, but equally celebrated for its community vibe and school system. Families flock here for its mix of convenience, character, and connection.
Ursula Franklin Academy stands out as one of Ontario's finest secondary schools, ranked 4th in the province. Known for its academic excellence and innovative programs, it's a top choice for families. For younger learners, Runnymede Junior and Senior Public School ranks 7th in the Toronto District School Board, offering a strong foundation for future success. High Park isn't just a neighborhood, it's the perfect place to call home.
Want to see exactly where High Park lands on our top 10 GTA school zones? The full ranking is streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. Next, let's talk foyers. Your entryway is your home's opening line, and first impressions matter. With the right mix of chic accents and practical storage, you can make this space both stylish and functional.
So you can see what we've done here. We've got a console and 2 cubes for seating if someone wants to take off their shoes, and of course a mirror so you can have one last look before you step out the door. This was a cinder wall that was painted a rather bright color red, which is fine when you're living in the home and it's your own personal decorating taste. It's something that the homeowner decided to take upon themselves. They took down the drywall. They wanted to give the home a bit of a urban, contemporary, rustic feel, which is fine. Like I said, it's fine when you're living in the home, but when you're staging, it becomes too much of an eyesore when you walk in the house and you really want to neutralize things and make it a little bit more pared down. If you've ever been afraid to paint brick, don't be. Take a look at what we've done here. We've painted it a nice warm white color, and then we've accented the crevices with a bit of a brown tone and gave it that real nice patina that makes it look aged, yet still very stylish. If you take a look, we've taken it from one side of the room and taken it all the way to the other side of the house, and it really opens up the space and brightens it up.
Ready to rethink your home's welcome zone? Watch the full design breakdown, streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. Finally, let's talk investment living. In today's market, homes aren't just places to live, they're income engines. Basement suites, detached units, and multi-generational setups help homeowners offset rising costs. At 18, Adanac Drive in Scarborough, this isn't just a family home, it's a built-in strategy for income and equity growth.
In the Greater Toronto Area, real estate isn't just about buying a home. It's about building wealth, creating freedom, and designing the lifestyle you want. With housing prices climbing and rental demand higher than ever, savvy homeowners are turning their properties into multi-stream income machines. Take 18 Adanac Drive, for example, a prime Scarborough property designed for both living and earning. This home isn't just a place to sleep, it's an investment strategy you can live in. Here's how it works. A 3-bedroom main floor plus a fully separate 2-bedroom basement apartment, perfect for long-term rentals or short-term stays like Airbnb. With rental potential between $3,600 and $4,000 per month, that basement unit alone could cover a huge portion of your mortgage.
Explore the full story inside our Real Estate Rewired doc, streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. And that wraps this week's LSV Weekly, your smarter living playbook. From neighborhoods worth moving for, to design tips that elevate daily life, and properties that work harder for you, we've got it all. Subscribe, share, and catch every episode at lifestylevideos.com because smarter living starts here every week.